Okay, this is Jeff Marks, and this is our fifth training session. We're going to talk about lifestyle benefits. Up to now, we've only been talking about health. Health benefits are the packages you will more than likely get the employer to pick up 100% of it or a very good part of it, unless they just don't offer any benefits at all. So, they may not pick up as much. But lifestyle benefits, you're not going to find too many employers picking this benefit up unless they include, one of these in with a health package. Sometimes that happens where they get 2 or 3 health benefits and they want to throw identity theft protection in. You might get them to pick it up. But I want to address lifestyle benefits, and I don't want you to underestimate it because, a lot of employers do want to have some voluntary benefit options. As you all know, voluntary benefit options could be anything from critical illness to accident to life insurance to disability insurance, but also lifestyle benefit. So I want to go over these with you because I found in a large hospital chain we worked with, they offer this package you're looking at to all the employees on a voluntary basis as sort of the last option on the table. And we got close to 2,000 employees who opted in on this program on a payroll deduct basis, and they paid for it themselves. So we'll talk about roadside assistance, ID theft protection, a prepaid legal program, a tax helpline, pet care, and fitness club discounts. So, in terms of value, I think we all know, for example, AAA costs about $99 a year for a basic program for a family. Well, here we've got just as good, if not better, roadside assistance program that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They'll tow you up to 15 miles per occurrence. They'll come out to your car for anything. I mean, flat tires, fuel, oil, fluid, watery. You lock your keys out of your car, your battery dies, you have an accident, they're on the spot. Okay, identity theft protection. Not sure how many of you folks have had an incident or know somebody who's had their identity stolen and used illegally, but if that happens, it's a nightmare, and it can be very costly and very time consuming. So Safe Identity is a fabulous company. I know it doesn't have this huge brand name like LifeLock, but it actually offers far more services. You have 24/7 access to, fraud resolution experts. They have the identity theft reimbursement insurance. They have a identity theft risk score, so you can sort of see the areas that you need to work on to reduce your risk of having your identity stolen. And they monitor all kinds of databases and let you know, at any point in time, if somebody opens a bank account or uses your personal information or your Social Security, or opens a bank account or credit account, borrows money, you're going to be notified. So it's a great program. Then there's a prepaid legal service with the Legal Club of America, which offers 9 free services. So at no additional charge. And this is a competitive company charges about $26 a month just for this one benefit. And it's included in our package, which, as you'll see, is about $20 a month for all these benefits. But you can use their services for unlimited phone consultations for new legal matters, or you can come into the office, meet an attorney for new legal matters. They'll review documents, write letters, make phone calls on your behalf. They'll assist you with government and small claims issues. You can get a simple will with annual updates. You can get living wills that are state-specific, and they have a whole list of deeply discounted services for very commonly used things like traffic tickets and name changes and divorce and trust and things like that. And discounts, so should somebody, obviously they offer free service, but they hope a certain number of people, want to get more service because that's how they make their money. they give very substantial discounts for continued legal service should you need them. And then we've got a tax helpline that's fabulous. I've used them. I know when I did TurboTax a couple years ago, I used their helpline and I had to pay $29 for it. This tax helpline is the back end for some major financial institutions who offer tax help. And it's a non-branded but very well staffed helpline with all kinds of experts. They'll do a free tax return, simple tax returns. They'll give you unlimited advice. They'll give you discounts on tax schedules if it goes beyond the scope of simple. They'll give you IRS audit assistance, tax planning, review of prior years. They have a website with tips and help and all that kind of stuff. Then pet care has become more and more popular. This one benefit with a company called PetAssure, if you went online after this training and looked them up, you would see that if you had, say a dog and a cat, and you wanted to get this discount program, it would cost you $13.95 a month. It's included in our package. Essentially, with participating vets, you get 25% across the board off everything, from surgery to exam. You get free pet tags and location services. You get 10 to 30% off on other services like boarding and daycare and training, pet sitting and grooming. Pet insurance is very expensive, but this pet discount program is as far as I'm concerned, dollar for dollar, it's better. And then we have a fitness club discount program with the International Fitness Club Network that pretty much has about 75% of the fitness centers in the United States in their network, where you get a free guest pass to try them out, and then you get what they call their best corporate rate in each respective market area. So by contract, let's say a club charges $150 to join and $50 a month, but their corporate rate is $49 to join and $39 a month, you get the corporate rate. So that's the lifestyle benefits. They are really good. You'll see the prices for all of these in our next training session, plus some of the other features. But I just want you to be aware that this package has tremendous number of benefits for very low cost.